Hello, welcome back everyone in my Android soft tech tutorial. And in today's project, we are going to working with send data to another activity in Android app. So, what is the mean of it? It is a simple application which demonstrates how to receive data from one activity to another activity by using the intent key method. So, let's start now. Start a new Android Studio project and give the application name. Click on next and select your platform, whatever you like, whatever you want, like Jelly Bean, Marshmallow, Nut, etc. Click on next and select the empty activity and click on finish. Okay guys, now our project is ready for code. So before coding, let me tell you first about this project. So here we will use intent method and pass data from one activity to another activity. So let's start now. First of all, delete this text view and we need a button and we need a edit text for sending the data to another activity. So let's drag now, create now from here. So before going to create, let me change something here for creating a better user interface. So I will change this in linear layout. Okay, now it is good. And now we will drag a edit text for sending the text. So drag now. Okay, now our edit text is dragged and we need also a button. So create a button. Okay, now button and edit text is dragged. So let's some make changes in this. Remove this and we need to bid this 0% 0 dB. So it is enough now, and we need some make changes in bottom. Let's make some changes. Okay, now our edit text and button is ready. Okay, now we will move on. So let's some changes here, and we need to change this in hint, not text. Sorry, it's okay. I need to change here. Okay, now it is enough. Now it is okay. Okay, after this we need to create another activity for receiving the data from this activity. So let's create now. create a new Java class, and I will name this activity receive text. Click on OK, and we also need a layout for this Java class. So create a layout, because we are going to make a new activity, and receive layout. Click on OK. Okay, now our layout and Java class is ready, and we need to link our layout in the Java class. So let's do it now. Go to your receive new activity.java class, and here first we will extend this using the activity, and we need to create a method here. Write on create saved instant method, so this one, and then we need to set our layout by using the set content view method, and pass the layout name, receive layout. Okay, now our activity is ready. Okay guys, now we will perform our task. So create a method here. So before going to create a method, we need to define in here and write on with method in button. Method name will be send data, and copy this. Sorry, go to main activity.java, and here paste that, and pass the view argument, otherwise your application will crash. Okay guys, now we will use the intent method. First of all, we need to intent method for going to one activity to another activity. So create that, make the object of intent method, and pass the application context and the class name, and our class name is receive text.java, and it is class. So semicolon. Okay, after that, sorry, we need to here first of all I forget to initialize the edit text, and so initialize that, and initialize here by find by id method, type cast into edit text, and find by id method, and what is the id of our edit text. So let's check here. The id of our edit text is edit text. Okay, now our edit text has initialized, and now what we are going to do, we are going to receive text, we are getting the text from this edit text. So we will use this method. So we will use the get text to string method. So let's create a string object, and I will name this message text, and then edit text, and pass the object of edit text, and dot get text and dot to string. Okay, now it will get text from edit text. Okay guys, and after that what we need now? So, and then we calling the intent method for starting the activity. So let's call now intent dot, sorry, it will be start activity dot, sorry, and sorry, it okay, and pass here intent object. So pass here intent. Okay, and now we will use the main method, and which will redirect on the second activity with our text. So the method name is intent dot put extra. So let's create now. And by calling the intent object, pass this method intent dot put extra string name, the first one we need to here. And here what we are going to do, here we will pass a key name, and the key name may be anything, it is your choice. So but don't pass only key, don't write only key, we need a different name that will not match from anywhere in this. So let's create now. I will name this key name, and pass the string object. This object we need to pass here message text. So right here semicolon. Okay guys, now, and it is main activity coding is completed, and now we are going to move on second activity. So go to second activity, I mean go to receive text.java class. Here this is our second activity, and here what we are going to do now, here first of all we need a text view, and for showing our text. So let's create a text view. Sorry, I will change this first. I will change this in linear relative layout. Okay, now this better, I think. Now drag a text view and make this bigger and bold. Okay, now it has become and bold, and now we are going to define it. Now we are going to initialize this in our receive text.java class. So initialize here. And using the find by id method, find it, and text view 2, it is id of text view 2 maybe. And now we will, and here now we will call the get intent method for receiving the text. So call the get intent method, and here we also need a string object for getting the text. So create a string object. So it may be anything like receive text, and call the intent method, and call the get string extra method. This is this one, and pass here key. Pass here key which we have created. Our key is we can see here main activity.java class. Our key name is key name. So copy this and pass here. This is text.java class. Okay, now our key is completed. Okay guys, and now what we are going to do, and now we need to set our text view for showing this text. So set the text view, so by using the object of text view, text view dot set text, and pass the string object here. This is receive text, so pass here. Okay, now our coding is completed. Now everything should be fine when we run our app. So let's check now. Sorry guys, before getting the check, I forget to register. I'm going to forget to register our activity in manifest file for getting the move on second activity. So we need, because we created another activity, so for going to another activity we need to register in our manifest file. So register here, activity, and here activity, and pass the receive text.java class, this activity, this one, and close the tag. Okay, now it is completed. Now we can test our application. So let's test it now. So let's start emulator, because I did not start. Sorry guys, where is my emulator? Let me see here. Okay guys, now test application. I click on here and select your emulator. Okay guys, you click on install and continue. And click on OK. Let's wait now. Sorry, I clicked the wrong application. It is clicked by mistake. So let me back here. Okay guys, now our application have launched in emulator. So now we can test this. So let me test and type some data here, like this tummy text, and click on. Sorry guys, I forget to rename this button send. So I will rename it, but let me click here. What? I did not get any text here. Let me see what is the problem. Okay guys, I think there is no problem, but let me check again now. Let me check. Everything is okay, but I am not getting text from one activity to another activity. What may be problem? I think the problem, it may be occur from this, because I think I should use this method, cut this method and paste here down. We need to start our activity after finishing this task. So paste here. Okay, now now it is okay, because first of all we are getting text from edit text, and then we use intent method for going to one activity to another activity, and then we are pass the key, pass our message through key from one activity to another activity, and then we are going to start our activity using the intent method. So we can check now. I think it should work now. So click here and install and continue. Click here. Click OK, and let us see. Okay guys, now our application have launched in emulator. So let's check now it is working or not. So my name is okay guys, this is my college name. So let's oh, I forgot again to rename this button. I will rename this later. And click on button, or click on send. Oh, let me rename this quickly. Okay, now run again. Click on OK. Okay guys, our application have launched. So let me check this now, it is working or not. Hello, yes. And this is my college name. Okay guys, and click on send data. Okay, now you are watching our application have successfully running, and there is no any mistake, and there is no issue. It is working fine. So here we are getting text from the one activity to another activity by using the intent method. So we can get text in edit text. Here we are getting this in text view. So let me make this. Let me do something more thing here. So now what I am going to do now, I will create another text view in our receiving text.java class here. I mean here. Here we will get a text into this is text view. Now we will get a text into edit text. So let's drag a edit text. Okay. Okay guys, now we will get text into edit text, and also same here in text view. So let's do it now. So let it change it into hint. Okay guys, now we will also get text into edit text. So let's make some changes into receive text.java here. We need to only one more thing, and we also need to initialize here the edit text. So initialize here. And also find by method. So find this. Edit text. I think it should be edit text. Let us check now. And the ID of edit text is edit text 2. It is 2, not only edit text. Okay, now it is okay. And we just said here edit text passes object of edit text dot set text. This method set text, and pass the object of string this receive text. Okay guys, now we will also receive message in our edit text. So let's check now our app. Click on here, install and continue. Click OK. Okay guys, our activity now, our application is now launched. So let's check this now. Hello everyone. Welcome in SoftTag. And click on send data. Okay, now you are watching that our text is received in text view and also received in edit text. So thank you guys for watching my tutorial, and please like and subscribe my channel for getting the more videos. Thank you.